Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Whenever you are watching this video, welcome back to our day 19th of English learning series. Today is not just another day; it's a very special day for our country. And from the bottom of my heart, Happy Independence Day to you all. May your life always be filled with the same freedom, the same courage, and the same unity that our nation stands for. Right now I'm sitting in the garden and the weather is just amazing. Last night there was a little dew, halki si oas, so the grass is still cool. Birds are happily singing somewhere on the branches, and you can listen also, you can hear also, and a few uncles are sitting together talking, laughing, and yes, some are doing morning exercise. I can even hear the sound of leaves moving the with the wind. I came here on my bike, parked it nicely in the corner, took a walk for a little while, and now I'm just sitting peacefully, ready to share some beautiful thoughts with you. Okay, now the question is, guys, why Independence Day is special, right? So I tell you, most people know that India became independent on 15 August 1947. We were free from British rule after almost 200 years. But there are some facts, some stories that many people don't know. Today, I'll share you them with you in simple English, okay? So you can understand and also share with others. The first fact is, you know, why 15 August was chosen. Many people think we randomly got freedom on 15th August, right? But actually, the last Viceroy of India, Lord Mountbatten, chose this date because on 15th August 1945, Japan had surrendered to the Allied force in World War II. He considered it an auspicious day. Okay. Second one, that the first Independence Day had no parade at Rajpath. Today we see grand parade in Delhi, but in 1947 the celebration was more emotional than grand. People danced, hugged each other, cried, and sang patriotic songs in the streets. There was no big parade. That tradition started later. Third one is, we had no national anthem on 15th August 1947. Yes, on that day, Jan Gan Man was not officially or national anthem. It was adopted later on 24th January 1950. Fourth one is, Pakistan also celebrates its independence in 9th August. Actually, Pakistan's Independence Day is on 14th August. Originally, both countries were supposed to celebrate on 15th August, but Pakistan's ceremony was held a day earlier because Lord Mountbatten had to be present in both countries. Fifth, the hidden midnight movement, the official transfer of power happened at midnight. That's why Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's famous speech, Tryst with Destiny, was delivered on 14th August night, just as the clock turned to 12 a.m. on 15th August. Okay, now we have the, you know, guys, freedom is not just about hosting the flag or singing the anthem once a year. It's about how we live every single day. Freedom means you can speak your mind, you can dream big, you can choose your path, but freedom also comes with responsibility, okay? Our soldiers protect our borders, but we must protect our society from hatred, from lies, and from injustice. Okay, look at the guys, the park is also here. Sometimes, I feel our generation loves the holiday part of Independence Day, but forgets the value part. We post Happy Independence Day on social media, but we don't ask ourselves, am I really using my freedom in the right way? Like this, right? So, freedom doesn't mean doing anything without thinking. It means doing the right thing without fear. It means respecting others' freedom as much as you respect your own. Okay, बस भाई मज़ा आ रहा है सच्ची में. While sitting in the garden this morning, um, I saw an old uncle picking up plastic bottles and wrappers from the grass. He wasn't a worker, just a regular visitor. I asked him why he was doing that, and he said, "Beta, this garden also belongs to me. This is my country, and if I keep it clean, I am serving my nation." That one line made me think serving your country is not always about wearing a uniform. Um, it's about small actions, keeping your area clean, helping people in need, following rules, paying respect to our culture, right? Now I have a motivation for learners. Okay, guys, now you might be thinking, why am I talking about all this in an English learning series? Because language is also a part of freedom. When you learn English, you get freedom to communicate anywhere in the world. You get freedom to express your ideas, to get better jobs, to travel confidently, to connect with people beyond the borders. So today, as you celebrate our nation's freedom, promise yourself one more thing, that you will give yourself the freedom from fear of speaking English. Don't think about mistakes, just speak. Okay, just speak. Okay, now I'm giving you small Independence Day sentences that you can use today. Okay, first one is, we are proud to be Indians. Okay, that you can comment. I mean, हम भारतीय होने पर गर्व करते हैं. सेकंड वन इज, फ्रीडम इज़ आवर ग्रेटेस्ट गिफ्ट. मीन्स स्वतंत्रता हमारा सबसे बड़ा उपहार है. एंड थर्ड वन इज़, वी कैन चूज़, हाँ, लेट अस वर्क फॉर आवर कंट्रीज प्रोग्रेस. आइए हम अपने देश की प्रगति के लिए काम करें. एंड फोर्थ वन, आवर फ्लैग इज़ आवर प्राइड. हमारा झंडा हमारा गौरव है. Okay, so respect them with me once more. Speak them loudly. Okay, see you in our next video. Bye bye.